Medical Superintendent of JNIMS, Professor K.H. Lokeshwar, emphasized the need for people to prevent youngsters from drug abuse. He made the statement while attending the International Day Against Drug Abuse and Illicit Trafficking, jointly organized by Indian Psychiatric Society, Manipur State Branch, Department of Psychiatry JNIMS, Lamyanba Irawat Memorial Integrated Trust Manipur, and Empowering Trans Ability under the theme Evidence is Clear, Invest in Prevention at JNIMS Conference Hall, Porumpat today. Speaking on the occasion, Lokeshwar highlighted the ill effects of drug abuse. He stated that drugs not only destroy the health but also impact the overall economy of the state and also creates various problems in the family. He further stressed the importance of guiding the youths towards the right path.
Nisabu onana sinagiba mipum khudimuk sibu kallasi amasung mare masi mutna nabagi lambi dagi kallasi haidana koi khondem lai or drug abuse na manghaliba samasida masa masa da manghan badana tana economy da solakpa samaj ama chokhalakpada phathaba tungi future line da mangakpa mana sandokhiba pot china mara ta khraga charon suronda Mahaki production laktaba production haibasi magi khudimakta economy da oirapayai sel gi matang da oirapayai sathi raba laina HIV sandorapayai asigumba yetum series sanarapa amasung sharing torpa khudimakto drug chigi magi dagi abuse dagi magi dagi sorapayai sigumba sibu kannanabagi damakta gi illicit trafficking amasung drug abuse se hingasi matam chana tawdana malem gi damakta onasi haidana International Day Against the Drug Abuse have a pandam se unna pandam lauraga hingnana bagi pandam da tawrakpa che mayam gi mafamda pauje loina dum thamdana ba akoina ngasi thamdani.
District Police Tengnoupal also observed International Day Against Drug Abuse and Illicit Trafficking 2024 by organizing a rally in the district. SP of Tengnoupal District, Rakesh Balwan, flagged off the rally from the foothill of Kebaching in Khongjom and culminated at Khongjom Police Station. Students of various schools took part in the rally that was held to spread awareness about harmful nature of drugs. Participants held placards that read, "Be drug-free and be yourself. Drugs are the dead-end road. Choose life, not drugs. Drugs are not the answer." Speaking on the sideline, SP Rakesh Balwan appealed public to stop drug abuse. He encouraged youths in the district to lead a healthy life by abstaining themselves from drugs. He also outlined legal penalty and punishments that are associated with selling of narcotics and psychotropic drugs, while also warning those involved in drug smuggle, selling and distribution of drugs.
Today I request all the youth that they all should stay away from the use of narcotics, that the use of these drugs that leads to nowhere, and our theme for is that we should say yes to life and no to the drugs. And through this day and rally we are spreading our message to the whole district, and we are requesting our youth that they should all stay away from the use of such the drugs, and those people who are involved in narcotic peddling, I warn them that we will take very strict action against them, and we will not spare all those persons who are involved in this business.
International Day Against Drug Abuse and Illicit Trafficking was also observed in Kaching district today. The observation was organized by District Police Kaching and was marked by a rally to spread awareness about ill effects of drugs. The rally started from Kaching Police Station and culminated at Kaching Bazaar. SDPO Kaching A.K. Premjit, OCT Rameshwar, Additional SP Law and Order A. Romendro were among the police officers who attended the program.
District Police na sister evening kasi apoi International Day Against Drug Abuse and Illicit Trafficking ka mari lena na apoi no mayam na apoi na process na apoi yarapani apoi ni drug chaba yon ba apoi ni tongdana ba mayam apoi cooperation lena raga sise akhoi tinaba honamidaba adigi drug chaba khopa yauragasu akhoi matam chana akhoi magi treatment tobinaba akut hi dana biraga ko tobinaba akhoi police michael devi mayamda akhoi bokdaba lakabadi.
Lamlai Police Station also observed International Day Against Drug Abuse and Illicit Trafficking at JNIMS Public School in Imphal East District, Porabi today. Speaking in the program, officer in charge of Lamlai Police Station, H. Sanjoy, stressed on the harmful effects of drug abuse in the society and encouraged the youths to stay away from drugs. Also speaking in the program, principal of JNIMS Public School, Wahengbam Janmenjoy, also elaborated on the detrimental effects of drugs on the life of students. He also highlighted the importance of War on Drugs campaign, which is being initiated by Manipur government.